So today I'm going to talk to you all about meal planning and meal prep and how to effectively do these two things in a few simple steps. One thing to bear in mind before we start is that statistically speaking, meal prep is one of the leading predictors of long-term success when it comes to losing fat and keeping it off. With that in mind, let's dive right in. So when it comes to planning your meals, there are 4 key things to bear in mind. First up is what are you going to eat? Next we've got how much, followed by where are you going to be for that meal, and finally, when is it that you're going to consume that meal? Now in today's video, I'm just going to talk to you about one of those, and we're going to start out with number 1, which is what. Well, what is it that I should be eating? How exactly do I effectively construct my meals for the best success? So equally when it comes to constructing your meals, I've broken it down into 4 simple elements. So first up, pick your protein source. Meat, fish, eggs, beans, lentils, pulses, whatever, that's where you're going to start. Secondly, pick your fruit, veg and or salad that's going to accompany that protein. Thirdly, choose your carbohydrate source. And fourth and finally, select a healthy fat, whether that's going to be avocado, extra virgin olive oil, etc, etc. So that's it for the what. Tune in the next video when we talk about how much.